Now, after you've purchased your first crypto, in our case, for your first Ether, as you can see, I have about 0.05 Ether in my Coinbase account. But to be truly a part of the DeFi ecosystem, you will have to withdraw your Ether out of a centralized Coinbase account to a wallet that you're in control of. As the saying goes in the crypto community, not your keys, not your coins. The cryptocurrencies that you bought on centralized exchanges are not actually under your control. Now, you might feel comfortable having it under Coinbase's control or whatever exchange that you're using, but exchanges could get hacked, you could lose all your funds, and the investments you have are not FDIC insured. So in certain cases, if you're willing to take on the responsibility, it might be better if you take out your cryptocurrencies and move them to your own wallet. That's what I'm going to show you guys today. And if you go to Coinbase.com, if you already registered a Coinbase account and you have gone to pro.coinbase.com to purchase some cryptocurrencies, in our case Ether, with low fees, your next step would be to withdraw them onto your own wallet. Now, all you have to do is select market, click on Ether, and you can just click withdraw, and you can select Ether, and it's just showing you that you can withdraw it to a crypto address, or you can withdraw it to the standard Coinbase.com address. We're going to move it to our crypto address, click that. Then your ETH address is the address on Metamask on the top. As you can see, 0x577f .7381 . There are different digits right in between there, but that's the address, and you can just click on it and you'll be able to copy your ETH address. Then you can just paste it in and click use this address. You can click max to withdraw all the Ether that's in your Coinbase account. You should know before withdrawing your crypto, you should definitely make sure you have the right address. You can do that by checking the first few digits of the address that you've entered. As you see, 0x577f, and the address where withdrawing to also shows 0x577f, and it ends with 7381. Now you can be sure that it's the right address, and you should definitely double check, because once you withdraw and if you have the wrong address, there's no way of getting your crypto back. Coinbase can't help you. Ethereum network is immutable, meaning you can't reverse any transactions. Then you can just click withdrawal. Now my withdrawal didn't go through because it seems like we do have to pay a network fee, which you don't have to do on a Gemini exchange. So now you will have to just decrease the amount of Ether that you're withdrawing, leave some amount for the gas fees. So I'm just gonna try this, click withdrawal, and again make sure you have the right address that matches your Metamask address. And if you haven't seen my two-factor authentication code video, check that out. It's a good way of securing your Coinbase account. Paste your code in here, click withdraw ETH, and you're done. Now it'll just take some time, about 35 network confirmations for it to be finished, and you can just go to your ETH account. As you can see, it's already been deposited. So that was very quick. Now you're officially in control of your Ether, and having the seed phrase to this particular ETH address is the only way of being in control of this Ether. You can also go to your Metamask activity tab to see the transaction that just came in. You can click into it, and you can click this small icon to see that how much Ether and what value was sent to your address, how much transaction fee that was paid, gas price at the moment that was sent, and you can see it came from Coinbase address with about 78 million worth of crypto in that account. And you can see our address, and it has the Ether we just sent to the account. Now, a couple of things to note would be you can't send any cryptocurrency to an Ether address. You can only send ERC20 tokens. For example, you can send DAI, you can send USDC, but you can't send Bitcoin to the Ether address. You cannot send Cardano, you can't send Dogecoin or Polkadot to the Ether address. So just be careful with that and make sure when you're withdrawing that you're withdrawing to the right network. If you bought some crypto from Coinbase.com, the standard Coinbase, you can also withdraw your crypto by going to send and receive and selecting Ether and then entering your address, Ethereum address right there, and you can just send 1 ETH or however much ETH that you have in your Coinbase account.